அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் 2.5.1 scalar product of two vectors. Definition: the scalar product of two vectors defined as the product of magnitude of both the vectors and cosine of the angle between them. The two vectors A vector and B vector. So the product of A vector and B vector, the angle between these two vectors called cosine angle, that is cosine angle between A and B vector. The product of magnitude, a product of magnitude means only multiplied with A magnitude and B magnitude, and angle between A vector and B vector. Properties of two vectors, that is dot product vector. The product of quantity A vector and B vector is always scalar. So multiplied any two vectors with dot product means it gives the only scalar. There is no direction component. The positive value, if it is positive means the angle is less than 90. If it is negative means the angle is greater than 90. It is obtuse, greater than 90, and less than value is acute value. The scalar product is commutative. That means A vector dot B vector is equal to the B vector dot A vector. And the vector obey distributive law. The three vectors A vector multiplied with B vector and A vector multiplied with C vector. This is distributions. So A multiplied with B and A multiplied with C vector. The angle between the vectors, that is A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta. Rearrange this term, that is A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta. Keep the cos theta in right side, and A vector dot B vector, and this term left hand side, A and B is equal to cos theta. So we need only the angle between A and B, that is theta equal to cos inverse A vector dot B vector by A and B. This is the angle between A and B. And the scalar product of two vectors will be maximum. So we are using cosine angle. So when the theta is 0 is the maximum value of cosine angle. So that is cos 0 degree is equal to the 1. This is the maximum value of cosine. So in the product of A vector and B vector, the cos 0 goes to 1. So the only product of magnitude of A and magnitude of B, that is gives the maximum of A vector and B vector. And the scalar product of two vectors will be minimum when the theta is equal to -1, that is theta is equal to 180 degree. So the theta is equal to 180 degree means the cos 180 degree gives the -1. So that A vector dot B vector is equal to minus of A and B. The product of A and B magnitude only, and this value is negative. That is A dot B minimum is equal to the minus of A and B. the two vectors A and B are perpendicular. That is, one vector is A vector, another vector is B vector. B vector perpendicular means 90 degree between A and B vector. That gives the value is 0. That is, A vector dot B vector is equal to A B cos 90 degree. The cos 90 value is 0. So the magnitude of A and B into 0. 0. This gives the 0. The product of A vector dot B vector. The angle between A and B is 90 degree, means this gives the 0 value. These kind of vectors are called mutually orthogonal vectors. Orthogonal means 90 degree between any two vectors. The scalar product of a vector with itself is termed as self dot product. That means we are taking a vector and another multiplied with A vector. That is A dot B, A dot A. A dot A gives the product of magnitude of A dot A and cosine between A and A. This is parallel vector means and multiplied with same angle means the value is 0. So the product of self vector gives the magnitude of square. That here the angle is 0. Another value, the magnitude of norm of the vector. That means A vector is mod A vector is equal to A and multiplied with A vector dot A vector and root. It gives the norm of vectors. In case of a unit vector, this n is unit vector and another n cap is unit vector. The multiplied with two unit vectors 1 dot 1 into cos angle, that is theta is equal to 0, it gives the 1. For example, I dot I and j dot j, k dot k. This gives the value of 1. In case of orthogonal unit vectors, so I dot j and j dot k and k dot I is equal to 1. 1 dot 1 cos 90 degree gives the 0 value. So orthogonal means mutually perpendicular. In the dot product gives the 0 only. So I and j mutually orthogonal, j and k mutually orthogonal, k and I mutually orthogonal. So these product gives the only 0 value. In terms of component of scalar product, component of scalar product means AXI multiplied with component of A, that is BXI, that is I multiplied with I and J multiplied with J and K multiplied with K. Component of vectors only multiplied. So I dot I gives the 1 and j dot j gives the 1 and z dot z gives the 1. So with all other terms 0. And the magnitude of vector, so this mod of vector gives the magnitude. So mod vector is equal to A, the magnitude square, so this ax square and ay square and az square. Root of this value gives the magnitude of the vector. Thank you.